Done. Finally. Yeah. My little guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Yes, back in Azerbaijan.
Orada... Мы все здесь. Мы вас... Не, так...
Why did the chicken cross the road? Because he had to, basically. I mean, that's kind of way. I had to. The only way I could get closer to my home was by crossing the Caspian Sea, because I'm blocked north and south of the Caspian, so I can't. It's a bit of a challenge, but we've adapted, and I think by the end of it we were coping quite nicely, I think, with the 6-hour days, although we were quite happy to get it over and done with. I'm going home, so I got to get back on the road, pretty soon, maybe a week or 2 or 3, reorganize, rethink, check out the route, and then I'll be walking out of Azerbaijan, headed to Georgia.